Hello, welcome to Henna Hair Color Mastery. First of all, let's make sure that your sound is on. My name is Gina Larito. I'm a hairstylist that utilizes in-demand henna products to earn a terrific full-time income while working just part-time hours. As you can see, 5-star review does give me a lot of inquiries and phone calls, as well as you can see over to the right, an average, just working part-time hours of what I would make in a month. I know what you're thinking, is this some gimmick? But it's not. I'm gonna actually share my talent with you and all my 10 years of research. You're thinking, is this course worth your time? Yes. Tell you why. I'm going to show you how I make 5 grand plus a month without working any extra hours using high demand henna and indigo. Let me ask you, what would your life look like if you made an extra $5,000 a month without having to work long hours or use any toxic chemicals? And you're thinking, well, why don't they teach about henna in hair school or cosmetology school if it's so great? The number one big reason is that hair schools are supported by hair dye companies like L'Oreal. They simply don't want to lose that support. But the old system isn't working so well. In today's world where natural, organic, chemical-free hair color is in high demand, the beauty market is booming. By 2027, $54 billion. So let's look at some of this. The chemical dye is poisonous, toxic, and damaging to your health and your hair. Natural leaves from henna is a healthy dye and an amazing beauty hair treatment. You can now make a full-time income from home or at a salon without having to use harmful chemicals. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to make 70 grand a year from henna services right away. It will take some time and some conversation / marketing to let your new clients know what you have to offer. And you're thinking, is this course really for you? This is for you if you're a hairstylist, hairdresser, or barber. You would like to gain new clients and double your income. You would like to work from home, a salon or spa. You would like to work less hours. You would like to reduce the use of toxic chemicals. You want to offer a niche service that no one else has in your area. You want to give your customers beautiful hair without putting their health at risk. These results are not typical, and I'm not showing you them to brag, but you need to see this because it shows what is possible. Clients are raving about my service. I get a ton of reviews, and I don't even ask. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to make more money working less hours with high demand henna products. In fact, I know you can get similar results, if not better, but whether you think you can do something or you think you can't, you're right. You have to have a willing, can-do attitude. If you do, this is going to be the day everything changed for you. My goal for you working with me today in this class is for you to learn how to make more income working less hours using high-demand henna. So the global natural cosmetic market was estimated to be worth $36 billion in 2019. As it turns out, growth more than doubled. It is now predicted to grow $54 billion by 2027. If you stay until the end, I'm going to give you my ebook, Organic Growth of a Natural Color Salon, for free. If you really love learning about how to make more money in the organic market, and if you want to dive in even deeper, you'll get to see my too good to be true offer at the very end of this presentation. You might be thinking, who is this lady and how is she going to help me make more money without the use of chemicals? Again, my name is Gina Larito. A lot of people know me as the owner of Henna Hair Salon, the only chemical-free salon in Canada. My Google and Facebook pages are packed with 5-star reviews. I'm making 70 grand a year doing what I love. I once was just a regular hairstylist who kept searching for answers to my chemical sensitivities. I've done a lot of things wrong. The worst thing I ever did was use cheap products from the health food store, Lush, or other products claiming they don't use chemicals, but they actually do. I spent 10 years researching and learning how to master henna hair coloring while searching the globe to source the highest grade henna and indigo. My bold promise to you: now is the best time to start. Best time to start is right after a huge economic crash. Would you rather start later and miss out on this short window of time, or start now and crush the organic beauty market for the rest of your life? Please keep in mind, I was not born into this. I grew up in a nice Italian family. They enjoyed playing dress up with head wraps. None of us knew that today my days would consist of wrapping clients' hair in headscarves for henna treatments. After I graduated high school, I joined a hair school and was excited because I thought it would be a fun, quick way to make money that would also help people feel better about themselves. I jumped all in, trying all of the chemical fun colors, relaxers, and hair extensions. But after 10 years of exposures to chemicals, I was sick and sad all the time from chronic skin allergies, sinus, and bladder infections. Through research, I discovered it was all due to exposure to chemical dyes and products I was using every day in my salon job. So what did I do? I asked the professional hair dye companies for a natural, organic, chemical-free product to color hair in the salon. The response was no. Or, I'm sorry, Gina, there's no such thing. Or, it's impossible to color hair without chemicals. So I quit, walked away from my salon, took some time to heal myself by taking a herbology course, and it took about 6 months out of the salon environment for me to feel better. I started using henna myself and found a difference from chemical dyes right away. My hair was thicker, shinier, and more manageable. It also covered my gray, and my hair started to grow longer and faster. I was so happy to have found a chemical-free solution that actually works. I vowed then to let everyone know about henna and its benefits. Fast forward 3 years later, I was hennaing hair behind a chair. That is when Henna Hair Salon was created in an organic way by demand. Just imagine earning more money without working long hours or using chemicals. I'm doing it right now. Would you like to learn the 3 secrets that are allowing me to make a full-time income without working any extra hours using high-demand henna products? Secret number 1. My previous education taught me that henna contains metallic salts. So I dug deep, and after some research, I realized that was a myth. The so-called henna that people in the West were using up until 1940s was not actually henna. It was metallic salts, and for lack of a better term, they inappropriately named it henna for marketing purposes. You see, henna is a plant. It has no chemicals, PVD, peroxide, or metals in it. It has been used for many decades to color gray, and it is in high demand globally. A 2008 study done by Claro found that 75% of American women dye their hair. Secret number 2. Henna covers gray and white hair. Not only did I learn that henna does cover gray, I also discovered that using a plant named indigo with henna can create cool tones. Henna and indigo require half the appointment time, 30 minutes, as opposed to the chemical way, which takes 2 hours. Secret number 3. I've found that the closest thing to a guarantee is doing what others have already proven to work, despite not being an expert. That's the chance I'm offering to you today. I've done extensive research and sourced the highest grade henna, as well as gone through many trials, tribulations, and experiments, so you don't have to. So let me ask you something. How would you like to put everything you just learned into action? Or better yet, how would you like to put everything you just learned into action? Have me take care of henna color and technical stuff for you. I've put together a brand new henna hair mastery course. I've set some time in my calendar to speak with you about your business and ideas. These calls are free with no obligation to buy anything. This is your chance to make more income working part-time hours using high-demand henna products. Henna Hair Mastering course includes coaching, 1-year prompt response, daily email support, weekly support calls via phone or Zoom, Henna Hair Salon Kit to get you started. So there's a total value of $5,200, but wait, I'm going to give it away for $1,200. Here's what to do. Book a free call today, get your free ebook, direct message Henna Hair Salon on Instagram with the word ebook, or email me at hennahairsalon@gmail.com with the subject ebook. Looking forward to helping you grow your business.